Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2007 Yamaha V-Star 1300. Really nice bike, liquid cooled 1300cc V-twin with a 5-speed transmission. It's had an engine guard added up front. Beautiful red color. Got saddlebag standoffs here, factory 2-into-1 exhaust. Got a good tire on the rear disc brake, belt drive bike, passenger backrest. I noticed it had a little ding right here on the tank down next to the seat. All the buttons, the switches, levers, everything looks good on it. Got that engine guard on it. Big windshield on the front there. Front fender looks real nice. Looks like it's got a tiny little scuff right here. Got a good tire on it. Check out the mileage fired off for you. This bike's got 27,609 miles, but it sure looks nice. Somebody knew how to take care of a motorcycle. Runs really quiet. The engine looks real nice and clean down there. All the screws and bolt heads. You can tell this was a garage kept bike. Runs real nice. Looks like that might be a couple of little tiny spots right here on the side of the tank. Thought that was wax, but that might actually be a couple of little pecks in the paint. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Or go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade. And we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.